Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a very exciting mystery, well I think I said bag, a mystery box bag. It's a mystery. This one's from Colored Rain and it was only $20. I couldn't pass it up. Like, Colored Rain is a great brand. It is black owned in case you were looking for black owned brands to purchase from. I think this was $20 with a $70 value. So let's go ahead and dive in. I feel like this is a pretty hefty feeling box. I told Zach to cut it open so I didn't see what was inside, but he was like, oh, you got a lot of stuff. And I'm like, don't say anything. So yeah, he said a lot of stuff. Let's see what we got. We got the box with some bubble wrap. Oh my god, this is a lot of stuff. First up, we have the lip gloss Blueprint. Blueprint is the shade. Oh shoot. Okay, this is she's bold. Okay, that is the gloss right there. I would have put on a white shirt right before I swatch things. This is some pigmented gloss. That's the shade Blueprint. It is a rich, like, I consider this like a royal purple. It's like purple blue. It looks so pretty. I need a makeup wipe though because I'm gonna make a mess. All right, yeah, I'm gonna clean that off because I know me and I know how messy I can be. So okay, that's one full-size gloss so far. Okay, we have some single shadows. I think I might have one of these. Superstar. I feel like I might have that one. But we got the shades Vintage, Superstar, and Unexpected, and these are all single eyeshadows. Oh, so we got like a reddish, a greenish, and a gold. Really, really pretty. I'm gonna have to look. I'm not gonna swatch Superstar. I have at least one palette from Colored Rain, if not more. So let me just show you guys. Those are Vintage and Unexpected is the green. And then we have, this is the collab with Power, and these are the liquid glitter toppers. We got 4 of them. Okay, I'm sorry. These have got to be for eyes. These are so pretty. Oh my god, there is so much stuff in here. Is this right? I feel like they put too much stuff in this box. Look at these glitters. The silver one is called Rico. This color is so pretty. That's my favorite. Okay, sorry. The darker purple is Indictment, and then Conspiracy is this one. This is so pretty. I doubt it's going to do this justice, but this one has flecks of purple and blue. And the last one is called Connect, and it's gold, but it has little flecks of color. You could go subtle with these, or you could definitely layer them up and get like a heavier application, but they don't have to be. I hope you can see that. I feel like that's already $70 worth. Like, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size items, 3 single shadows, and we're not even close to done. Okay, we got another gloss. This is in Prom Night. Ooh, no, this one's pretty. This one's a little bit more wearable. So far, I'm really excited for the glitters and this gloss. The eyeshadows too, but wow. Look at that. I think they packed this box wrong. There's so much stuff in here. Oh my god. Oh, you know what's funny? I love the sponge that I got. I got the yellow sponge from the Juicy Boost collection and I really love it. And here's a case with 2 sponges and it's all Christmassy. And it's got a little sponge cleaner in here. Look how cute! Oh my god. This is like a little present. It's all ready to go. These are really good sponges too. Like, if you haven't tried their sponge and you're buying anything from them, like, add a sponge to your cart and just try it out because they're really good. I thought I was picking up 1 product and it's 2. We still have 4 products in here. Seriously, they put a lot of stuff in this box. Okay. Oh, this is pretty packaging. So this is the Focal Point Glow Lighters and this is in Bourjois. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but we'll figure that out. Let's see this next one. This is in Cutie Pie. Ooh. Is this also? Yeah, it's a glow lighter. Let me swatch this one because I don't know if I'm gonna get any use out of the other one, but ooh, look how pretty. I could use the other one as an eyeshadow, but I think what I might do is, like, I always do my giveaways random, so that may be like an extra. So if the random winner has a deeper complexion, then I have this to add on to the package, and I think that would be really cool. I'm just shocked that there's so much product in here. Wow, we have 2 highlighter and blush duos. These are the Colored Rain and Power collection once again. And they may be getting rid of this collection, but still, like, they're still full-size products, which is crazy to me. Ooh. Look at that one. Now this one's for deeper skin for sure, but it's so pretty. But this one's really pretty. I think I can use this. So let me swatch. The highlighter is really pretty. It's got a little bit of like a glittery effect to it, but you can still see all that shine. Let me swatch the blush. That's a pretty blush. Like, it looks a little bit strong right here, but we could definitely work that out. My Day One is the name of the darker one, and the lighter one that I'm definitely going to keep is the Damage Control. This one's really, really pretty. I'm befuddled right now because it's crazy that there is so many products in here. I'm trying to rebox everything because I'm gonna put these two to the side, and I will definitely share these with someone or giveaway or something. They will not go to waste. Are we sure that this is $70 worth? I feel like this is way more. Anyway, so let me just recap. We got 2 highlighters, 2 blush and highlight palettes, that's 4 products, 2 full-size lip glosses, that's 6, 4 glitters from the Power Collection, that is 10 items, full-size sponges, 2 of them in a set, and then we also got 3 single eyeshadows. Is that not crazy? I feel like that's crazy. So I am like super excited that I got everything. I'm really like, you can tell I don't even know what to say right now. So thank you, Colored Rain, you really did that. I'm thrown. Like, yes, there's some like funky stuff in here and not everything is perfect for my skin tone, but the majority of it I can use and I think is really gorgeous, and the rest of it will not go to waste. So wow. I need a drink. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this mystery unboxing. Let me know if you happen to get one of these mystery boxes. And I also do have a Hank and Henry mystery box coming. I got the big one, but let me just say, I did not expect this many products. Okay, let me zip it. I don't know. You know what I mean? You know? Okay. So thank you again. I hope you enjoyed. Leave me some love down below. Let me know what your favorite product is. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.